Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Etsy app. So we'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is you just go down, you click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do now, so just go down here and you click here on apps. So then it's going to take you here to apps list. Then you just go down here to looking for Etsy app. So you just keep going down here and you click here on your Etsy app here. Then it's going to take you to next step. Then you just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage and you come to storage list. Then you just click here on clear cache and you go to your Play Store. So just click here on your Play Store. Then it's going to take you here in this list. Then you just search for your Etsy app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. So just click on it here and it's going to fix your problem. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.